Why is the sky blue? The sky is blue because of a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering. Sunlight is made up of different colors, and each color has a different wavelength. As sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere, it interacts with the gases and particles. Blue light, which has a shorter wavelength, is scattered in all directions more than other colors like red or yellow. Since blue light is scattered the most, it's the color we see when we look at the sky. Even though violet light is scattered more, our eyes are more sensitive to blue, which is why the sky appears blue instead of violet. 1. Sunlight is made of different colors. Sunlight appears white to our eyes, but it's actually made up of all the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. This is called visible light. Each color has a different wavelength, which is the distance between the peaks of the light waves. Red has the longest wavelength, and violet has the shortest wavelength. When these colors are combined, they make up the white light that we see coming from the sun. 2. The atmosphere scatters light. When sunlight reaches Earth, it passes through our atmosphere. The atmosphere is made of gases like nitrogen, about 78%, and oxygen, about 21%, along with small particles like dust and water droplets. These particles are much smaller than the wavelengths of visible light, as sunlight hits the molecules of gas and other tiny particles. It gets scattered, bounced around, in different directions. This process is called Rayleigh scattering. 3. Blue light scatters more. The amount a light wave gets scattered depends on its wavelength. Shorter wavelengths, like blue and violet, get scattered much more than longer wavelengths, like red and yellow, blue and violet light have shorter wavelengths, so they get scattered more in all directions when sunlight interacts with the atmosphere. Red, yellow, and orange light, with their longer wavelengths, are scattered much less, so they mostly pass straight through the atmosphere. 4. Why don't we see violet, then, even though violet light is scattered even more than blue light? Our eyes are more sensitive to blue light and less sensitive to violet light. Also, some of the violet light gets absorbed by the upper atmosphere, so the sky appears blue rather than violet. 5. You see the scattered blue light. When you look up at the sky during the day, you are seeing the scattered light. Since blue light is scattered the most, it dominates the color you see. If you're looking away from the sun, you'll mostly see the blue light scattered by the atmosphere, which is why the sky looks blue. In summary, the sky looks blue because sunlight, which contains all the colors, hits the molecules in Earth's atmosphere. Blue light, which has a shorter wavelength, is scattered in all directions more than the other colors. That's why when you look up at the sky, it appears blue.
Like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to our channel, Gadjanana Publication, for more educational content.